Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing while launching the game GTA 5 you got an error of entry point not found with Steam or any kind of dependency file. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. Head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any kind of update is pending, make sure you choose the option download and install to make your operating system up to date. This is a mandatory task, so make sure you must update your Windows. Nextly is open up your browser. Here I have a link for DirectX. Go ahead, download the DirectX into your system. Second link is Visual C++ all-in-one. This will install all the versions of the Microsoft Visual C++. So go ahead, click on this download link to save it into your system. Select any of the mirror from the list. Select the desktop option to save it into a PC. Once both DirectX as well as Visual C++ is downloaded, go ahead, run them and install them into your system and then restart your PC to fix out the issue of entry point not found. If this failed to work out, in next step, head over to this PC, C drive, Windows, System32 folder. Here you need to find three files one by one. First one is v8.dll. Simply in the search box, type in the name v8.dll and hit the enter key. If you find this file, delete it. Second file is v8_libbase. Again find it and delete this file. And thirdly is v8_lib platform. If you find these three files right in this folder, make sure you delete all three files and then restart your game to fix out the issue of entry point not found. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, go ahead, open up your Windows security. From the left pane, click on the option protection history. Now under the protection history, you can see there are a few files that are showing protection folder access blocked. So click on this drop down icon and find the file which is blocked is related to GTA 5 or not. And to find that particular file, you can check the path of that particular file. If it is related to the GTA 5, you simply click on this down arrow key again and you will find the option of keep. Simply choose the option keep to unblock your file. Once your file is unblocked, you are ready to play the game and the issue of entry point not found will be fixed out. If this also failed to work out and you are in Windows 10, right click on start menu, choose the option run. Type here appwiz.cpl and then hit the enter key. From the left pane, click on the option turn Windows feature on and off. Now here press the M key to find media feature pack. Expand it and make sure you check mark this particular option, Windows Media Player Legacy. Once check mark both the options, hit the OK button. This will go ahead and install the Windows Media Feature Pack into the Windows N version to fix out the issue of entry point not found. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. First of all, you need to open the game directory. At my end, the game is installed in F drive, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. Right in this GTA 5, if the error is occurred due to your file with the name d3dll, right in this directory, you will find a file with the name dxgi. So you need to press the D key. At my end, there is no dxgi file. So if you find a dxgi.dll file, you need to rename that file to d3d11 like it is showing right over here. Rename dxgi.dll file to d3d11.dll. Once you rename this file, launch the game to fix out the issue of entry point not found. Now if none of these methods help you fix out the issue, you need to manually download the file which is giving you the error. And the file is .dll file. For that, I have this particular website to download the DLL files. Whichever files is giving you the error, for example, mainly the files that giving you an error is mfread write.dll. Type in the file name and hit the enter key. Here is mfread file. Click on it, scroll down and simply you need to download a 64-bit version. Click on this download link, download this particular file and then you need to paste this file into the game directory. After pasting the file into the game directory, relaunch your game to completely fix out the issue of entry point not found while launching the game GTA 5. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.